Hey everyone, hope you guys are all having a great day. Today we're going to be talking about the broader crypto market, what's going on here, and how Nvidia is going to be playing a role in this, especially over the next couple hours. So please pay attention to this. But before we get started, please make sure to subscribe, comment as much as you can so the algorithm knows I'm here. And the number one thing you guys can always do is just watch the video from the beginning to the end. It shows a lot of support, and I really do appreciate that. Now, as far as I see, Bitcoin, the broader altcoin market, nothing looks pretty right now. Altcoins are dropping double digits at some times, and they're really coming down. And Bitcoin, just like it has before, it's been taking a larger dip. At this point in time, when I've been talking about bearish moves, I think I've been pretty frank, like, hey, I see the technicals pointing us down, and we will have larger moves, maybe on the 4-hour chart, the 1-hour chart, pretty dramatic, 1,000 to 2,000 point drops where you guys can see some really good profits there. However, this time, I'm not really buying the dip. Because of Nvidia and kind of the chance that it could not be a good earnings report, to me, that really signals that Bitcoin could technically take a larger drop and start coming back down towards, 49, 48,000 and really breaking below that $50,000 support. And that's what really spooks me. Easy enough to fix this is Nvidia in the next hour come out with a really good earnings report, and I would be very happy about that. But that being said, if you guys are looking for those dips as far as altcoins are concerned, this is not the big dip that we're talking about where you guys can go all in or start buying up a lot more. This is a dollar cost averaging dip, or maybe you're saying, oh, wow, we finally have some good discounted prices. Let me add on a small position here to go into the broader portfolio that I have. This is not something where you're like, oh my gosh, these are really, really cheap prices. I should be buying as many as I can. That's not it. This is not it just yet. As I look at the daily chart and what I see coming across, it looks like we're looking to take a little bit more of a drop for perhaps, a week, maybe 2 weeks. After that, if we start breaking down below those levels of support we just talked about, then things get a little bit more worse because we could go back down to the low 40s here. That's kind of a stretch right now because we really don't know what the Nvidia earnings are. But as a whole, it seems like tech has really been keeping this rally going, as most other sectors have been seeing some really bad moves in the overall market. The only things that are maybe going up across the stock market are things that have been battered so hard, like a Disney, where they just have to pop after they have any type of good news. It's been the stuff like that. So what I'd recommend doing is not to buy right now. That's my personal opinion. You guys can, of course, go buy the dip. We talked about it a few days ago. That buying the dip video worked out pretty well. Right now, I'm not buying the dip. I'm not even buying altcoins all too much. I'm kind of just patiently waiting to see if we get even better prices. That does take on the risk of me not being able to buy any altcoins or any Bitcoin at all. But I'm hoping, and this is a big hope here, I'm hoping that we will actually have a protracted downtrend that will last for a few weeks, maybe even a month, where we will all have a better opportunity of getting some cheaper Bitcoin prices, cheaper altcoin prices, and then say in about April, May, then we're going to start to have something of a larger breakout. And that breakout is where you guys are going to see a lot of upside momentum, where everybody's going to be swing trading and day trading and having a good time. Right now, you might be looking at something more of a pessimistic period for Bitcoin and the broader crypto market, just as the entire market makes a correction if Nvidia really doesn't have some great earnings. Okay, so hope you guys all have a great rest of your day, and thank you guys so much for watching the video. Today's episode is brought to you by BYDeFi, your gateway to crypto trading made simple. Whether you're just starting out or looking for advanced trading options like perpetual contracts and leveraged tokens, BYDeFi has you covered. With unique features like copy trading, you can mirror the strategies of experienced traders and learn as you earn. Plus, with top-notch security measures, you can trade with peace of mind that your account is secure. You can sign up today by clicking my link down in the bio.